Hello, Giselle here at Milam Truck Country, located at 500 River Road in Puyallup. Today we're looking at a silver 2008 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport. It does come with your standard headlights and fog lights, alloy wheels, and it does have a 5.7 Hemi engine. You have your running boards here, heated mirrors, and it includes a sunroof. Interior does have a gray cloth interior. AM FM radio, CD player, Sirius XM radio ready, auxiliary connection, USB connection, and your Bluetooth is integrated into the rear view mirror. High and low gearing. Your steering wheel does have cruise control. It does have all of your power options, including windows, mirrors, locks, and seats. Back seat here fits 3 adults comfortably. And these seats do fold up for extra storage, and it levels out there for you. This does include mud terrain tires, a class 3 tow hitch, and a spray and bed liner. Here at Milam Truck Country, all of our vehicles go through a thorough service and safety inspection and are beautifully detailed so that you can purchase with confidence. Give one of our sales representatives a call at 253-845-1766, and thanks for clicking on our virtual tour.